So this is the US oil analysis for Tuesday, the 24th of April. Now, let's just have a look what prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we saw price coming towards that 69.51, from which we did see the sell side momentum take us through 68.19. Formed a bit of a low in around 67.50, from which we went into a brief consolidation. We did see a sell side momentum come back into the market, coming all the way down towards this 200 period moving average. From this 200 period moving average, we've seen very strong buy side momentum coming to the market from this 200 period moving average, taking us through 67.73 and 68.19. We've gone into the brief consolidation, bit of a bull flag. We've had a break here to the upside. We do seem poised for a test of that 69.51, which is a very strong major level here, marked out in red. If we were to successfully navigate above the 69.51, we would be then looking for prices to head up towards that $70 barrel mark, and from which we're looking for prices to progress towards that $70.50 mark here on the US oil. Those are pretty much the levels that we are looking at here on the US oil. If we were to see this momentum continuation in alignment with this overall trend more recently, we're looking for prices head up towards that 70, may even get towards that $71 barrel mark here on the US oil. What we'll do now is we'll have a look. If we do see, however, see a breakdown from the 69.51, if we do see a breakdown here from this 69.51, we are then looking for prices to head down towards our 68.19, from which you could see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market. If however we do fail to see the bullish buy side momentum return from 68.19, we'll be looking for prices to retrace all the way back down to a most recent swing low here in the market in around that $67 barrel mark. It's a low 67s actually. Let's just have a brief look. It's around about 67.12. So what we'll do is, rather than work with 67.12, we'll look for the $67 barrel mark, before which we're looking to see an area which previously acted as resistance in around that 66.71, from which you could see that bullish buy side momentum return to the market. Now, let's just have a brief look here at the daily chart on the US oil. So what we'll do now is we'll have a look at the daily chart. And on this daily chart, let's get the scale on here correct. So on the, we are seeing we formed our lows there. We formed a higher low there and a higher low. Strong momentum continuation. Retested 65.60 from above. Held as support. Strong move here towards that 69.51. Had a brief pullback from this 69.51. Brief pullback here from 69.51, but we're seeing the immediate momentum follow through to the upside. So we do seem poised for a test of that 69.51 and a possible break towards that $70 a barrel mark here on the US oil. Those are pretty much the levels that we are looking at here on the US oil. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.